Hi, I'm Shivan,
Hi, I'm Naresh.
and today we're going to conduct a masterclass for Lakme School of Style.
So we're going to talk about how to sculpt your body with right swimwear. It's essentially identifying what swimsuit styles suit what body type.
So today we'll be discussing 4 body types: the apple, the banana, the pear, and the hourglass. Yeah. As we know, Indian women have heavier bottoms and heavier tops, and they think that it's a negative aspect of their body. Well, I totally disagree with it. They can wear any possible swimsuit and really make it work.
Or for that matter, any silhouette. I think an hourglass is essentially a curvaceous body type. It's one of the biggest assets that Indian women have. It makes them look extremely feminine and elegant without trying very hard to do so.
Bikinis for you, mayo is for you, a cutout piece is for you. Indian women, are we talking in specific, can wear anything.
Essentially, the pear body type is a kind of woman that's blessed with a wider hip line and a shorter and a smaller shoulder.
Very beautiful shoulders they've got.
Exactly. So one of the biggest mistakes that women do is that they try and opt for boy short styles. It's one of the most common mistakes that women in India make. They feel that they have a wider hip line, so if they are going to wear styles that essentially cover their bottoms, they are going to get away with it.
But instantly, I think what they do is they kind of hide their legs, and what can be done is just pick up a right style of swimwear where the cut is a slight bit higher, where your legs become the focus and
become longer.
Yeah, they become longer.
So the idea is not to cut you in two halves. You don't have to look stumpier, but you rather look like you have a pair of beautiful legs. So opt for styles that are cut slightly higher, so the focus shifts to longer legs rather than wider bottoms. Also choosing one shoulder mayos, one shoulder swimsuits,
which will kind of show their shoulders.
Exactly,
shoulders,
instantly puts focus on the shoulders. So those are the key areas that you might want to play with if you're a pear-shaped body type.
If you have a banana body type, that basically means the ratio between your shoulder to the waist and hip is almost the same. So to create an illusion of a waist, we must kind of give swimsuits which are like trikinis, which have cutouts on the waist and
I agree. It's about accentuating your waistline. I think that's the fact that you have a banana body type means in more often than not you have a skinny body frame, which you want to kind of flaunt that nice waist, thin waist that you have. So opting for cutout styles is one of the best ways of
highlighting your figure.
The apple body type is somebody who has a heavier bust and torso in comparison to their legs and arms. So it basically means that you want to drive attention more towards your legs, towards your limbs, maybe even beautiful shoulders.
And also they could opt for a style which is boat cut necks, where their necks are highlighted.
Sure.
Yeah, so
in fact, one of the best ways of driving attention away from your torso is to get a bit of cleavage showing. I think it instantly makes you look sexy. You can also scoop out a great back. Because these are essentially your best assets, so highlight them, and I think it can work really wonders for you. So that was a masterclass for Lakme School of Style. So remember, no matter what body shape you are, there's always something to flaunt.
if you guys like the video, like, share and subscribe to Lakme School of Style.